If you're over 60, listen closely, the glass of water you drink every morning? It might not be doing enough to keep your muscles strong and your body truly hydrated. And the reason has nothing to do with how much water you drink, but what's missing in that water. Plain water can actually slip right through you, leaving your muscles dry, your energy low, and your joints stiff, even when you think you're doing everything right. But today, I'll show you how to change that. With just a few simple additions, you can turn your daily glass of water into a powerful tool for better strength, hydration, and recovery. And don't worry, this isn't about buying expensive supplements. These are practical, natural ingredients you can start using today. Hey there, and welcome back. If you've ever felt weak, stiff, or crampy, even when you're drinking enough water, this video is going to change the way you hydrate. I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful ways to upgrade your water, starting with 2 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. And before we dive in, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried adding anything to your water to help with recovery or hydration? What worked for you? I read every single one and would love to hear your experience. 1. Lemon and mineral salt, build a stronger hydration foundation. Let's start with a combination that's incredibly simple, but surprisingly powerful: fresh lemon and mineral salt. Now, after 60, your body just doesn't hold on to water like it used to. You might drink a full glass first thing in the morning and still feel tired, foggy, or stiff later in the day. Sound familiar? Here's why. As we age, the gates in our cells that hold on to water, the ones that keep your muscles hydrated and flexible, start to weaken. Your muscles, which are about 75% water, begin to lose that sponge-like quality. So even though you're drinking enough, your body might not be absorbing it. That's where lemon and mineral salt come in. Why lemon? Just a squeeze of lemon adds a touch of citric acid. That slight acidity actually helps your water move more efficiently through your digestive system, allowing more of it to be absorbed. Think of it like opening more doors to let water into your bloodstream. And it doesn't stop there. Lemon also brings a small but helpful dose of vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen keeps your muscles and connective tissues soft, springy, and more resistant to stiffness or injury. Now, why mineral salt? We're not talking about table salt here. Table salt is mostly pure sodium, and too much of that can raise your blood pressure. What you want is a natural mineral salt, like Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt. These contain small amounts of magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals your muscles actually need. These are electrolytes, and they're essential for helping water stay in your muscle cells, not just flush right through. They also calm your nervous system, which means fewer leg cramps at night, better post-walk recovery, and less soreness overall. How to use it? You don't need much at all. Just half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, or a slice or 2 of lemon, plus a small pinch of mineral salt in an 8 to 12 ounce glass of water. Sip it first thing in the morning when your body is naturally dehydrated from sleep. Want to make it even more refreshing? Add cucumber slices or a bit of fresh mint, especially nice in warmer weather. Why it matters? This isn't just about hydration. It's about balance. The minerals help regulate your blood pressure. The lemon supports digestion. And the combination helps your muscles stay full and hydrated, even as you age. Over time, you'll likely feel fewer cramps, better energy, and more stability when standing or walking upstairs. It's a small change, but when you do it every day, it becomes a powerful ritual, one that keeps your body moving smoothly and confidently. If you've made it this far and you're finding this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to watch all the way to the end. There's more good stuff coming up that you won't want to miss. And if you know someone who could benefit from stronger muscles and better hydration, maybe a friend or family member, share this video with them too. Every view helps more folks feel better and stay independent longer. Alright, let's move on to our second powerful hydration booster. 2. Electrolyte powder, deep hydration for aging muscles. So maybe you're already drinking lemon water with a bit of salt in the morning. That's a fantastic first step. But if you're still feeling tired, dizzy when you stand up, or sore after simple movements, your muscles may need a deeper level of hydration. That's where electrolyte powder comes in. Now, most people think electrolyte drinks are just for marathon runners or folks recovering from the flu. But the truth is, if you're over 60, your need for electrolytes actually increases. Why? Because as we get older, our kidneys flush out water and minerals faster, and our thirst signal weakens. That means by the time you actually feel thirsty, your body is already running low. Electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, are like tiny keys. They unlock your cells and pull water in, helping your muscles stay hydrated and strong. Without enough of them, water just passes through you, leaving your muscles feeling flat, weak, and more prone to cramps and fatigue. Here's the science. A recent study in the Journal of Nutrients found that older adults who drank water with balanced electrolytes improved their muscle cell hydration by almost 30% in just 5 days. That's a big difference, especially when compared to plain water, which did almost nothing. They also reported fewer leg cramps, better balance, and less soreness after basic activities like walking or going upstairs. So how do you pick the right electrolyte powder? Look for one that's sugar-free, caffeine-free, and free from artificial colors or sweeteners. Many popular sports drinks are loaded with sugar and chemicals that can do more harm than good. What you want is something with a balanced mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Some good ones even include vitamin C or zinc for added immune and joint support. How to use it? Start with half a teaspoon of powder in about 16 ounces of water. Sip it slowly, especially in the morning, or after light activity like walking or gentle stretching. There's no need to chug it. Slow and steady helps your body absorb the minerals more effectively. Most people notice a difference within a few days. You may feel less dizzy when you stand up, fewer muscle twitches at night. More steady, balanced movement, and a subtle but real increase in daily energy. Remember, this isn't about flooding your system. It's about giving your muscles the right tools to hold on to hydration and function the way they're supposed to. If you've always thought electrolytes were just for athletes, think again. After 60, your muscles are depending on them even more. 3. Freeze-dried coconut water, nature's electrolytes, anytime you need them. You've probably heard someone say, drink coconut water, it hydrates better than plain water. And guess what? They're absolutely right. It's not just a tropical health myth, science backs it up. Coconut water is naturally packed with electrolytes, especially potassium, magnesium, and a touch of sodium. These are the exact minerals your muscles need to stay hydrated and bounce back after movement. In fact, coconut water has almost twice the potassium of a banana. That makes it one of the best natural hydration tools out there. But here's the problem, fresh coconut water doesn't last long, and finding clean, high-quality coconuts isn't exactly easy or practical. That's where freeze-dried coconut water powder comes in. It's real coconut water, just without the liquid. All the electrolytes and minerals are still there, but in a lightweight powder that's easy to add to your daily routine. You just mix a teaspoon into water and go. This is a fantastic option if you're not a fan of salty-tasting electrolyte powders. Freeze-dried coconut water has a light, naturally sweet flavor that's easy to sip throughout the day. And it's especially helpful for people who don't normally like taking supplements. It tastes good and doesn't come with any weird additives. Best of all, it hydrates without spiking your blood sugar or raising your blood pressure, something most store-bought sports drinks can't say. More than just hydration. The potassium in coconut water helps stabilize your blood pressure and reduce muscle cramps. The magnesium helps your muscles relax and may even improve your sleep. And there's just enough natural glucose to help nutrients enter your muscle cells more easily, which is a huge plus, especially for older adults whose digestion and absorption slow down a bit. How to use it? Just stir 1 teaspoon of freeze-dried coconut water powder into 10 to 16 ounces of cool water. Drink it in the morning, after a walk, or anytime you're feeling a bit tired or low on energy. Want an extra kick? Add a squeeze of lemon or a thin slice of ginger. It'll help with digestion and give your water a refreshing twist. Over time, this one simple step can help reduce muscle cramps, ease joint stiffness, and boost your energy, especially on hot days or after light exercise. And it won't disrupt your sleep or upset your system. It's hydration in its purest form, designed by nature and perfect for aging bodies. This habit might feel small at first. But keep at it, and you'll likely notice the difference: steadier steps, fewer aches, and a quiet, growing sense of confidence in your body. 4. Low-dose creatine, rehydrate your muscles even while you sleep. Now, when you hear the word creatine, you might picture a young guy at the gym, chugging a shake and lifting heavy weights. But here's what most people don't know: low-dose creatine might be one of the most effective, and safest, tools for older adults who want to protect their muscles, fight off fatigue, and even support brain function. And yes, it also helps your muscles hold on to water exactly where they need it. Here's the deal: creatine is not a hormone, not a stimulant, and definitely not a steroid. It's a natural substance your body already makes in small amounts and stores in your muscles to use as fast energy. Every time you stand up, take the stairs, or lift something from the floor, your body taps into those creatine reserves. But after 60, your creatine levels start to decline. That can lead to weaker muscles, slower recovery, and more soreness, even after everyday activities. Here's the good news. You don't need high doses to get the benefits. In fact, studies show that just 1 to 2 grams of creatine monohydrate per day, about half a teaspoon, can significantly improve lower body strength, walking speed, and balance in older adults. That's less than half the dose used by athletes, but it's enough to refill the tank in your muscles. Creatine does more than boost energy. When it enters your muscle cells, it brings water with it. That helps your muscles stay hydrated and full from the inside, not bloated, just strong and ready to move. Hydrated muscles equals smoother movement, better recovery, and fewer cramps. But that's not all. Creatine supports your brain, too. Research shows it helps nerve cells store energy more effectively. That means less brain fog, better focus, and reduced mental fatigue. For many older adults, that alone can be a game changer. How to use it? Just stir 1 to 2 grams, about half a teaspoon, of pure creatine monohydrate into a glass of warm water once a day, preferably in the evening. Warm water dissolves it better, and nighttime is when your body repairs itself. You can add it to your lemon water, coconut water, or just plain warm water. It's tasteless, odorless, and blends right in. Worried about safety? Studies show that low-dose creatine is well tolerated, even in older adults with high blood pressure or mild kidney issues. Just stay in the 1 to 2 gram range, and always pair it with plenty of hydration, exactly what this daily routine provides. Stick with this habit, and you may begin to notice fewer cramps, faster recovery after daily tasks, stronger, more confident steps, and clearer thinking. It's a small, science-backed habit that works quietly in the background, helping you feel better, move better, and live with more ease. So there you have it, 4 simple, powerful ingredients you can add to your water to support hydration, protect your muscles, and boost your daily energy. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated routines. Just small daily habits that help your body stay strong, steady, and resilient, no matter your age. Imagine waking up with fewer aches. Moving through your day with stable energy. Climbing stairs or going for walks without worrying about cramps or weakness. That's the power of hydration done right. If this video opened your eyes, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever added anything to your water for recovery or hydration? What did you notice? Share your experience in the comments. I read every single one.